gotta always live your life to the maximum. No doubts, no fears, just the power of your mind. There is no other limit but the vast blue sky. I live your life, do as you like. The enemy is close, so watch your back. Beware if you won't be cautious, you might be strapped. Try to find a special courage that lies in your heart. Don't ever hesitate, do as you like. Do as you like, live your life. Do as you like, live your life. The only way to reach the goal that you were dreaming of is to keep your head together and solid faith in your soul. Don't ever let nobody get to you. Stay sharp, be strong and focused. Do as you like. You can play against the rules. This is not just a game. Without hesitations, better win than go down in shame. The victory's already in your sight. Don't ever surrender. Do as you like.